Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here with, oh my gosh, let me look back on the last video. Oh, okay, day 19. I had a brain fart. I was like, what day are we on? Day 19. Oh my gosh. We're about to hit the 20s, and before you know it, this is over with. But I've been so happy about doing this because it's been very exciting. So today I kind of have an old school, yes, an old school palette, but I'm looking at her and I really don't recall ever trying this palette out, and she's been in a collection for a while. So we're going to be trying out the Sweet Pinks by Miss Juvias Place. Yes. Look at these shades, honey. Yes. I never tried this palette. I'm looking at it. There's not even a brush imprint, a finger swatch, nothing. And I was like, let's change the color story because I've been doing a lot of green looks. I've noticed. I don't know why. I've just been so gravitated towards green. Maybe it's the palettes that I'm picking. I don't know. But when you first spin, I want to do like a little peekaboo cut crease style of look is what I'm thinking about doing. So let's just jump right into this look. If this is your first time tuning in, hello, welcome. I am Nisha. The whole month of October, I am doing makeup tutorials every single day. So that is 31 different makeup looks. And I just thought it would be even more funner if I challenged myself to use different palettes. And my goal for this year, being that this is my second annual doing this, is to try to use palettes that I've never used that's been in my collection. And of course, if I happen to buy a new palette, to try it out right away instead of just throwing it in my hoarder collection. So I've been doing really good. I think I only repeated maybe about a good 3 or 4 palettes so far that I've used before, but I have a lot more palettes, y'all, sadly, that I don't even think I'm going to be able to get to by the end of this month. And I have something future planned for, I want to say like next year, because I gotta get it organized. And y'all see, I'm speaking too far in the future, but we're gonna make this palette thing work for your girl to where I'm going to at least use all of my palettes by the end of next year and watch. But anyway, let's get into this look. I'm going to start off with the dark pink shade right here, and I'm going to pop her right in my crease. Alright, and then I'm going to blend it out with this nice neon looking pink. And I'm kind of mad at my base area. I think I was rushing today and I didn't really put enough base on. So my eyeshadows are not popping the way I know Juvias eyeshadows usually pop. So I kind of want to just take this off and start over, but I'm on crunch time for today. So I can't, unfortunately. But I'm just going to take that pink and brush it right in the crease. I honestly feel like you can't tell the difference between the two shades that's together. So I'm gonna go try this shade of pink, and I'm gonna see if it will help give like a different fadeaway effect. Right now it's looking too similar and I'm not here for it. I'm not sure if I like this one. It's not giving anything that I was expecting it to give. So let me cut my crease off camera really quick. Okay, so I honestly don't like how my crease is blending with these shades. I don't know if it's my fault for my base or if it's just the eyeshadows are not blending to my perfection that I want it to blend. So I'm not going to do a cut crease because I'm not feeling the crease. So I'm going to go ahead and reapply some base for the lid area. And hopefully these metallic shades will make up for what I'm not feeling about this look. I want to spray my brush, and then for the inner part, or should I start with the outer part? Let's start with the outer because I don't know what this look is going to give. Hold on, let me actually finger swatch these. What the heck are these? Are these not? I'm not feeling this palette. I'm going to go ahead and take this pretty pink shade. It's not grabbing onto the brush. Do I got a default palette? Because this is not like my Juvias. Juvias don't get down like this. I want to put this towards the outer. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here. Let me take some more of that dark pink and blend my crease in these two lid shades now together. I'm also gonna put some towards the outer part. I don't know how I feel about this palette. I really don't. Like, this would be like the first time ever in history that I'm not satisfied with a Juvia palette. Like I said, I thought my base was put on wrong, but the lid should have made up for what I was feeling. And right now, I just feel like it's... Let's move on to the face. Okay, I think this wing is like honestly saving this look because I was not feeling it at all. I'm still kind of iffy about it, but we're gonna let this... So yeah, I know for the past two looks, I've been feeling this little glow that I love by Wet n Wild. But I want to see if I can get that same glow with my other like illuminating products. So that's what I'm going to be trying today. So this is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. And luminizing is pretty much like a glow. Yeah, so it's supposed to give yourself like a natural bounce of light on the skin or under makeup to prep your skin for flawless application from AM and PM. And this is by Dr. Brant. I remember this brand. I used to be dead heart love for this brand, but when I started seeing them prices, I was like, we're gonna have to let that go. Cause I used to get a lot of products from this brand from BoxyCharm and I think Ipsy at the time. They loved the heck out of this this brand, and I was too. Cause like I said, the products that I did try from this brand, fell in love with them, used it to the very end, but I didn't repurchase because it was just too much for price point. So I think I went through two of the, it's like a face scrub that came from this brand. I used two of them because I received two of them. Used them both up to the very end. And I was like, oh, I refuse to buy another one because there's so much. It's like almost 80 bucks just for one. I was like, ooh, I ain't ready to spend that kind of coins. But that was back then when I didn't, you know, I wasn't really working and stuff like that. But I don't know if I'll still have enough courage to still buy that for one particular product, you know? $80 for a skin product? Just one? I don't know. Okay, this feels fine. I don't see a glow though. Let's try, I'm gonna try the same foundation that I've been using for the past 2 days, Clinique, and let's see what it gives. I'm just gonna do one side so if I see if I capture that glow right away. Ooh. I think I see a little bit of a glow. Y'all let me know if y'all see that. And I don't think it's the foundation that's giving me that because I can kind of see it on my cheek right here. Can y'all see that? It looks like a natural like little glow coming through. Okay. Let me find out if I'm a fan of illuminating stuff. Yeah, I can see it on my nose too. Okay. Yeah, because this foundation is not saying like it's matte or anything. It says it just gives you a natural flawless look that lasts all day. Okay, but I do see a glow. I can really see it right here in this area. So let me conceal this, my eyes real quick. Today I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Deep Olive. And this concealer is super duper bright. Contouring with Fenty. Alright, for my powder, I'm going in for Tarte for underneath my eyes. And then for all over my face, y'all know I'm going in with Black Radiance. And I'm going to contour with the L'Oreal bronzer. And then for my blush, I'm going in with Freshly Squeezed. Alright, then I'm going to go back in to my eyes. I'm going to go in with a black pencil and put that in my waterline. Alright, so for the same pink that I have in my crease, I'm going to pop that right underneath that black pencil. And then I'm going to kind of like smudge it against the pencil like a little bit. I'm going to give it like a smoky effect look. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of some glitter glue. And then I'm gonna go in with this light pink. I'm just gonna take that shade and pop it right in the inner tear duct. I feel like I'm still missing some of those pinks in my crease. Like the only pink I see is that dark pink. It's like driving me crazy. I know this is gonna look a lot better when I pop lashes on, but I'm trying to see what it does without putting the lashes on so quickly. Usually I love the look before I put on lashes, and right now, oh, why am I so, okay. I hate feeling this way. Alright, I'm gonna do kind of like a nude pink lip. I'm gonna go in with Juvias for the pencil. Alright, going in with Juvias. This is called In Vogue, like a nice soft peachy color. I know I said pink, but we're gonna make this work. Then I want to, of course, gloss it up with So Juicy. And then I gotta put a little bit of a nude shade in here because it's looking too peachy for me. Okay, I'm gonna pop some lashes on and hopefully I have a different feel about her, because right now I'm not liking my look today and that's not like me. But I'm gonna throw some lashes on and see if it can change my mind. Be right back. Okay, so this is the complete look. I feel like with the lashes definitely still allow me to somewhat like this look, but to be honest, I don't think it's me this time. I really think it's the formula and the shade ranges that's in here. Like, they look so beautiful by themselves in this palette, but honestly I feel like they all just blended together, and I think that's what's bothering me. It's like they blended together. I definitely gotta come back and give this palette one more try, because maybe it's the way I place the eyeshadows. And like I said, I wasn't really too happy with my my actual base when I started today's makeup look, but I reapplied my base when it came to the eyelid, and I still wasn't sold on these metallic shades. Like, this is not Juvia's forte for me. Like, I don't know if mine is dried up. I don't even remember seeing reviews on this palette, so I can't even say if it's the same thing. But if y'all got this palette, let me know. I might be tripping or might not be, I don't know, but this would have to be my least favorite Juvias palette ever. Yeah, I don't like that, because even with the crease, my creases, like a lot of the colors were just tepid crashing. One thing I do like about this look is my inner popper. That's the main thing I like, and I think it's what's saving this look, is because we got that beautiful neon pink matte right in the inner part, so it's giving something, but not what I was looking for. I don't know, it's missing something. I feel like I'm missing one more deep shade for my crease, or maybe a better matte, softer matte pink to blend out the dark pink. And like I said, the metallic colors of the ones that I did pick, they look absolutely different inside the pan, but on the eyelid they are a double duo twin. Okay. So like I say, double duo twin. And by the way, the lashes that I do have on are Beauty Creations, and these are called Limited Edition, and these are so beautiful. And I did add some highlight. Yeah, y'all see my cheeks. I went in with, oh my gosh, I can't find it, but it's by the brand KOKIE. I think it's, I always sound weird when I say this brand, but I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not quite sure, but everything will be listed down in the description box. I've been doing good for 31 Days of Beauty. I've been listing my description box, so I need to get some pointers for myself, because y'all know me. Sometimes it'd be a straight miss, but I've been getting on my bootay on making sure that I list the description box, okay? So it will be listed down in the description box, because I can't remember the actual name, but I know it's KOKIE is, I think, how you pronounce it, and I think the highlighter name is called Heavenly, if I'm not mistaken too. But it's beautiful. It's a very gold highlighter. This is the look. I hope you guys like it. Let me know how you feel about this look. Let me know if y'all got this palette, how y'all feel about this palette. Am I tripping, or she's not giving? She's not giving. But anywho, I will be back tomorrow with another look for 31 Days of Beauty. You guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.